Hi, this is Dr. Sonia Tekchandani. I'm a consulting cosmetic dermatologist at Tender Skin International, Mumbai, Pune and Dubai. And I have more than 17 years of experience in this field of cosmetic dermatology. So it was my father's dream that I should become a doctor. Unfortunately, in a road accident, he passed away when I was at the age of 13 and I was the eldest of the siblings. And I had to keep up to his dreams, and my mother was very persuasive, and she reminded me quite often that it's your father's dream and ensure that you don't take any other profession, and you have it in you, and you have scored that kind of marks to get there. I come from a small town, that is Nasik. And when my husband proposed that we need to move to Mumbai, and he said he will set up my practice in Mumbai, so I was a little hesitant, and I didn't have the risk-taking ability. But then when he said that you don't have to worry, what salary you get over here in a month, you're going to start earning in a day, and that really happened when we moved to Mumbai. And thanks to my better half, he's also popularly called Mr. Happiness. And after we started in Mumbai, even I got a lot of family support to expand the business. And my husband also had a vision to start an international setup. So when he proposed that we start Dubai, that time my daughter also, she supported us. She started taking care of the business, and eventually my son has also joined the business, and I'm happy to say that we have expanded to Pune as well, and we have 2 clinics in Pune, and we are on the verge of collaborating in Goa and many other places. Hopefully we will start soon. So Tender Skin International is basically it caters to all skin and hair services. It's all about looking good. Our tagline is look good and feel good. And my area of interest is anti-aging and lasers, and we basically cater to all kind of skin related problems and deal with them in a scientific way, as well as your hair related problems. We have a lot of treatments which are scientific, and they help to improve your various concerns, like most of the people come to you with acne or dark circles or pigmentation, hair fall, excessive hair, fine lines, wrinkles, loss of volume, sagging. So these are all the concerns basically a common person deals with in day-to-day life, and everyone today aspires to look good. So basically we cater to all these problems, and our services are directed to these. I would like to say a little bit of anti-aging, like if you want results within a week, we do treatments like Botox, fillers, thread lifts, PRPs called as a vampire lift, which helps in rejuvenating your skin. It takes care of your acne scars, pigments, etc. So all the services which we have at Tender Skin definitely help to enhance your skin, to rejuvenate your skin, to take care of your concerns, the basic concerns like acne, scars, pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, tired look, saggy look. So we have a solution to each and every problem, and the results are instant. You come in, and within 45 minutes to 1 hour you are totally transformed. You see immediate glow on your skin, and of course your concerns are also taken care of. So whether it is skin or hair or something to do with your body contours, we have everything under one roof. Keep glowing and stay young forever. Look good, feel good.